Welcome to our company, where we specialize in manufacturing faux tin ceiling tiles. With over 20 years of experience, our team comprises professional modeling designers, craft designers, and painting technicians, all dedicated to the art of faux tin ceiling tiles. They play a role in various fields of architectural decoration, from luxurious hotels to shopping centers, bars, cafes, as well as restaurants, beauty salons, nightclubs, and retail stores, enhancing the fashionable atmosphere. Our extensive portfolio boasts over 600 designs categorized into classical, Renaissance decorative arts, modernist, and ethnic styles, providing interior designers with materials for creative freedom. Working closely with clients, we create unique designs seamlessly tailored to individual preferences. In the world of interior design, our decorative faux tin ceiling tiles have become transformative elements injecting vitality and personality into mundane spaces.